Okay, I am so sorry that I haven't uploaded in months, maybe years. I just don't post a lot on YouTube anymore. You can find me on HattoP41 for my nightwear and my character theme songs, but I haven't uploaded in a while on this channel. That's because I mostly do nightwear and character theme songs, but this is just something I wanted to do because I was looking up quizzes about my OTP, and I saw this quiz. 173 shippings, pairings. The ultimate Hetalia ship or rip. Back in my early Hetalia days, I was known as a Hetalia shipper. I was known as shipper because I shipped a lot of shits. Also controversial. But today we are gonna dive into this video, into this quiz. One thing, I'm sorry if you hear that tapping thing, that's my cat. I'm on my bed. I'm so sorry, I just want to record this. So, let's go. And getting the Venom on my ass part 1. I see kind of incest, so I'm so sorry if just fantasy guys in this. This is so fucking cute. Oh, this is so fucking cute. Oh, one of my original metal ships. Over the course of this video, you will notice which characters I like and which I don't. Because I rip a lot of shit where characters like this. Like, I have 2 characters from my least favorites. And they're probably in this, so. This is cute. I don't know. What the? Didn't know this exists, but this is cute. I'm gonna remember that all the time. Yeah, I'm a frick person, just. Oh, there's so many reasons why I should just. What the? Why is this a thing? Why is this a thing, by the way? Really, why is this a thing? Belgium kind of represents Wallonia, in my opinion. And Flanders has a good relationship with UK, but what the? Just, Also, I feel like Flanders is like Scotland. And since, I don't know, why? No. Nope. For me, they're like England and America, so you can expect me to live for that as well. Oh god, that was a cute ship, wasn't it? Yes? That's a cute ship. One of my guilty pleasures. Ship it. This is a thing. I didn't know this. So, fandom, get on my ass, because I like this. Also, England and Romania, Norway and Romania. Cute. Basically, it was a ship, yes. I was hoping actually to see Bochteng because it's one of my favorite ships for England after Frick, so disappointed, but alright. Most of these, I feel like Seashells is France's daughter as well, so. Also, Rain. I just looked up ship fan art for this. This is cute fan art, by the way, am I done? No, it is. I just looked them up earlier because I do a lot of those puzzles while I watch TV shows. I was actually watching RuPaul's Drag Race earlier, like you could see. So yeah, I ship it. Nope, I just don't like it. And America together. To beat the T, yes, bitches. No. That people ship this is just. I don't get why people ship this. Oh my god, mainly because like Russia does a lot of stuff to the Baltics. I just dislike any ship with the Baltics and Russia. What the? This is a thing? This thing is what the fuck is this shit? One of my original ships? I'm so sorry, I like this ship. Yeah, my favorite ship for Hong Kong, probably. I'm not sorry, actually. This is one pairing where I have only one ship for them both. One ship for Thailand and one ship for Vietnam, so this comes out. For me, I hated it at first, but then Love and Faces was background ship and I came to like it, so well guys, you did it. I like you. Well, fandom, let's start the crusades. Because I'm gonna rip it. Most of these fans have a bond with the Charita ship. it flew over my head. It flew over my head like it was fly over. Very like that. I'm so sorry. I don't see the appeal to it. Yeah, I ship this. Same with Japan and Italy. Oh, with my original ships, yes. Yeah, boy. That this is a thing as well. Wait, they have that one dance scene. Oh yes, I like it. Like I said before. Nope. Nope. Yeah, fandom get on my ass again because I'm gonna rip it. I'm so sorry, I just don't get the hype. What the f? I should miss one of my favorite hatred pairings. I just don't get Brig on like. It was pretty big when I got into the Hetalia fandom. April 2017. I liked Canada, I liked Prussia, I kind of forced myself to like it, but after all this time, no. This is strange, but this is cool. Just don't like Austria with Prussia. I'm so sorry. I completely forgot about the ship. Apparently, I have one ship with one of my least favorite characters. Good job, Austria. You live another day. I was about to say, I'm curious when we're going to get to my favorite ship. One thing. Also, one thing about Lithuania, and one thing about Poland. Lithuania was my favorite character for the longest time while at Elia fandom. He was my favorite character. He was my favorite from May or June until Slovakia took over, but then he always stayed one of my favorites. And that little asshole dragged my fucking ass back to the Hetalia fandom when I tried to left the fandom in February. Then I tried to leave again. I was always a Hetalia fan, but it was like in the back of my head being an Italian. But that fucking asshole dragged me again in. And that ship is still my OTP and one of my first Hetalia OTPs, my OTP after all these years, so Blitzball, my OTP. Oh, no. What the? Okay, by the way, these are not brothers. These aren't brothers either. Ah, God. That's cute. Yeah. I'm going to get crucified for all these ships. But if you think I'm lying about this ship, I have a video, a night glory, where I have Deadeyes in it and Korea and Hong Kong. Hey Juliet, I will link it down below. What the fuck? Oh my god. It just also this is good fan art. I like it. I'm gonna favorite image. Very good. One of my favorites Nordic ships. Our ship is in the friendly way. I don't know what I have to think about it, actually. Oh, you know what, fuck it. Yes. Actually, I should, but I don't know. Oh my god. Oh no. I say I do this just for my friends who like it. Because I don't have an opinion about it. Bitch, yes. But no, leaf ball has been my recipe for a hell long time, so... Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Also a speak of the devil moment. But no, Lead has been one of my favorite, still my favorite character after all this time, and I don't know why. But Meatball, also Bill, yes, ship. So I prefer the name Bill. Yeah, you know, I even got that ship into fucking fanfic. What is not about him? It's about the Italians, but that's all. You know, Leith has always been one of my favorite characters outside of just Italia. I even got to know the Baltic states a bit more because of Italia and because of him. You know, after 3 years, I'm getting a tattoo with the word Lifestyle on it, on my back. And that's the Lithuanian word for freedom, which is important to me, and I just like the word in Lithuanian for it, so Italia did something good. It's fascination to the Baltics and the Balkans. Let's get on. Oh, I'm tempted to do this just because it's fun. Yeah, do. Why not? Yes, bitch. Yes. Ship. Yes. Okay. Thanks for... Oh, ship. Best ships. Yes, it could be. But yes, best ship. Yeah. It just... sorry. What the f... Okay, this is cute. Oh god. Why not? Oh my god! I forgot about them. I completely forgot that this was a thing. Honestly, I know they're brothers, but I don't see them as brothers. I'm gonna say ship it. Oh my god, you can actually see what... Okay, I wanna know. How many people ship people? It's my job to know. I hope it's more people than... Huh. Thank you. But no. Outside of Italia, Lithuania was always one of my favorite characters, etc. You know, I have one Italian fan art piece in my room. I drew it like a couple of months ago. February, and it's Lithuania. It's... I don't know. I have a special bond with the character. And with the ship, because after all those years, when I was S my OTB, it was always beautiful.